Okay, now we are in the part that we're gonna actually color the buttercream, and I've got a couple tips for you. So first tip then I would like to mention is the colors that you're gonna use. I use in this time paste colors, and the reason for it is because I add less watering things in my products, in this case buttercream. If I add a liquid in the buttercream, it probably will be too soft, and that means it will not actually hold the cake as I wanted. So it's really important that you choose the right color products when you're using and you try to decorate. So this one will be, I use different brand. This one is the one that I got now. But I got, depending on the color, I got the brand as well, and I got in gel as well. So this is paste, so it's really stick. And I like to use as well, I will show you eventually a video where we're gonna actually airbrush, and I use that colors, American colors. They are fantastic, they're liquid, but they are really intense. So in that case, I will use American color, but now I chose this one because I thought that's the one that you probably got in your kitchen, and it's really easy to buy and it's cheap. So that's the reason. So that's the first tip. Tip number 2. So to add color to a buttercream, it can be a little bit tricky, and it can be a little bit difficult to get the color that you want. First of all, the base already got color, is a yellow pale each. So that means it could be a little bit complicated to add the color. When you're trying to do intense or dark color, you have to add a lot of these products, and it changes the color, but not that much, and they do change the taste, and it's something that will not compromise. So because of that, my tip number 2 will be add a little bit of soft cheese to the buttercream mix, and that will be actually help to incorporate the color without adding too much. So that will be the second tip. So I hope you actually follow through this step, because they're actually really powerful. And now we're gonna put hands on buttercream, so stay ready. Hi guys, well, we already finished with the color. One recommendation is, if you see the buttercream is soft like this, yeah, then you just drop in that way. That means you need a little bit cold. That's the thing. So you need to put this 15 minutes in your fridge, and it will be hold much better for decoration. And the reason is obviously is the weather. It's humidity and hot that actually melt my buttercream more than I want, and that actually create this texture, which is great to fill in the cake, but for decoration you need a little bit more hard. So that's what we're gonna put it. So put a film on top, cover up, leave it 15 minutes, and then we're back to continue with the decoration. We're almost finished, don't go anywhere. See you in a second.